Karbi Students Association was founded in the year 1959. Led Pratap Chandra Tokbi became the founding and president of Karbi Students Association, and on 3rd of December, he breathed his last and left for his heavenly abode. The dream of seeing factions of Karbi Students Association under one platform remained as a dream. Late Pratap Chandra Tokbi was not only the founding president of Karbi Students Association, but also he was a true Karbi nationalist. He had a vision to uplift its people and flourish its land. He was born on 3rd of June in 1935 at Kuliagaon. His father's name was Led Sarbura Tokbi and his mother's name was Led Kachi Ingti Hensekpi. He gained his lower primary education from Kuliagaon LP School, completed his middle English ME schooling from Bechbarua High School, Golaghat. Later joined Difu Gulf Boys High School and did his matriculation. But due to serious illness since 5th of November, he was undergoing treatment at his own residence. He was later brought to Difu Medical College and Hospital after the conditions of his health deteriorated. He was then admitted to an intensive care unit ICU for 9 days due to lungs infection. He was then taking intensive treatment at a private cabin for 4 days, and on 3rd of November, he breathed his last and left for his heavenly abode. With a vision to unify Karbi Students Association and make it as a backbone of the Karbi community across the state, Led Pratap Chandra Tokbi founded one of the most prestigious students' organizations of Assam known as Karbi Students Association in the year 1959 and became the first and founder president of Karbi Students Association. Apart from his activisms as a students' leader, he was also working as a lower division assistant LDA cum enumerator at Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner's Office in the year 1961. Then he joined as a surveillance worker at the Health Department. Later, he served as the Assistant Malaria Officer of Health Department from the year 2000 till his retirement. After his retirement as a serviceman, he served as an advisor of Somindar Karbi Amai and Karbi Anglong Consultation Peace Forum. To acknowledge his works and honor his contributions towards the society, he was conferred with several awards which include Difu Central Bihu Committee Award 2012, Chief Minister Best Community Action Award for Development 2014, Best Karbi Po Award 2014. Led Pratap Chandra Tokbi's visions of undivided Karbi Students Association is now divided into 4 factions, which had baffled and bewildered the concerned citizens. He dreamed of seeing all the factions standing unitedly under one platform when he was alive, but his dream of seeing factions of Karbi Students Association under one platform remained as a dream. The sudden demise of a great nationalist like him is a great loss to the Karbi students and community as a whole. He was left behind by his wife Kache Ronghangpi and 3 children. Next report, Karbi Anglong Live.